Hello YouTube, welcome to this quick video tutorial how to customize an Android application using an APK files. So first you must download the files that I will include on the description and extract it. Open the APK file or APK tool folder and put an APK files right here. So make sure that there's no space on the file name that you're putting on this folder. Open this command prompt and you can navigate to this folder using the CMD or just use this. It's the same process. Type APK tool space D as in decompile space your APK tool, so right here, and press enter. Okay, so there you have it. There's an image right here. You can modify this by Photoshop, thing like this. And if you've done, please save it as a PNG file right there. And if you've done editing, change the, this is important, okay? So change this if you want to install, or you can change this if you want to install the two applications on the same device. So if you don't change this, you must have a single application. So for example, you installed the original application and you want to install another application or using this project, you can have one application only. There's an error on either there's an error on the installation, or either one of that apps will be existing. So you must change this one to whatever you want, and just make sure that it's not the same with the original file. So for example, and click save. It's important so that you can install two applications on the same devices. So there you have it. And if you want to change the icons on that application, you can change it by right here. So there's a lot of icons right here. It's customized for a different pixel or different size of an Android devices. So there you have it. Change this, all of this, change this icon. It's the file name of this icon is IC underscore launcher.png, so you can change it in the Photoshop. And after that, you can change also the sound right here. It's different in every application, so you must find the music or the sounds. You can find the image or the icon. So there you have it. After you save that, after you customize that graphics, sounds, and that manifest, so that application name, back to this CMD and type APK tool space B as in build space the folder that you decompiled, or the folder that you extracted. So there you have it, and hit enter. It will be compiling the application. And there you have it. So if you, to find the application or the APK files that you builded, navigate to the folder, this folder, and see this folder dist, and open it, and you can see an APK files. Now copy this or cut it and go to the sign APK folder right here. So you can close this one and open another cmd.exe. Again, type, you can open this one and copy this command, right click and paste, and space, this type of space, the APK files that you want, or that you put it in the file or in the folder. So that's happybird.apk space the file name that you want to sign. So another like this. You must sure that it is not the same as the file name of the APK. So just put sign that APK, and there you have it. Click enter, and now it's done. You can see this file, and this file will be your finished APK file. So you can install it you can delete this one, and this one you can install it to your Android devices. I hope I helped you with this tutorial. Please like the button below, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you so much for watching. This is M and Me.